Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have one of my favorite vehicles that Nissan sells. This is the 2020 Nissan Armada Platinum. This one has the V8 with a big gust of wind. Come here. It's a 5.6 liter V8 which sounds absolutely amazing. The intake noise that you get from this engine is just insane. 390 horsepower, 394 pound-feet of torque. Get in here. Total price of $67,265. Rear seat entertainment. No, I've never been in the back seat in one of these. Oh yeah. Everything you would ever need right here. It's just storage on storage on storage. Forgot to shut off my ventilated seat. Really nice leather. Oh yeah, that's what I forgot to check. Super black over charcoal. You do also have a virtual rear view mirror, much like the new Tahoe. Although I don't know which one came first. I don't know if Nissan was new to it, or if GM was the first one to do it. The intake sounds that this thing makes, makes me want to buy one just to have that sound. It is absolutely sensational. It almost sounds, I thought for the longest time what it sounds like. It sounds like a first gen V8 R8. That's what it sounds like. Obviously not exact, but if you listen to it and think about the first gen V8 R8, this is also one of the most luxurious SUVs on the market. Obviously this competes with your, well, not the Infiniti, I was going to say the Infiniti QX80 or whatever it is, but it's the exact same car as that. So this competes with your Tahoe, your Expedition Non-Max, and your Yukon. Those kind of SUVs, the big bulky SUVs. Let's see if we can get another good sound clip. Like, come on. Oh, this thing is awesome. Oh, I absolutely love this thing. Obviously not designed to make noise, but you know what? It does a good job at it. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.